Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, and this was available only two in the box. So if you guys are wondering, so one other guy from my group actually bought it. So they bought this for 179. So actually one other guy bought other piece, so I bought one for myself. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I personally liked this one, so I bought it, not just because it had only two pieces in a box. I really want to know how much the scalpers are selling these things, especially this one. Okay, here it is. So it is actually very small compared to other cars. I know Hot Wheels are not really true to scale. But still this looks a bit smaller than the others. Okay, so out of the box this looks really nice, and as usual you can see some paint scratches here or rashes, little bit, not much, but here it is. But the casting as a whole, it looks really beautiful, and it has a rear view mirror as well, which is really nice. And this is a very good thing, they put some kind of acrylic for the headlights. Okay, that is really nice. I never actually expected from Hot Wheels, even though the price point is very high nowadays. So the logo placement looks really nice. See, once in a while they are doing this kind of really nice castings. So the tail lights are actually embossed, but it is not painted on it. There is some cool detail here. Carrera GTS. So the paint job is, as a whole, it looks really nice. It is kind of a glittery silver, but it is not too glittery, but it is a bit glittery. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. There are a lot of stray dogs. So if you are watching my channel regularly, you will know that. So I usually record my videos on midnights. So okay, it has some good interior detail to it, and there is a wiper. Yeah, it is a wiper. I thought it was a scratch. So it has a wiper detail also, which is really nice. And I don't know if this is a fuel cap or something. So if you guys are really expert on this specific car, just let me know if this is a fuel cap or it is for radiator. So I really don't know about that. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls okay, and it stops just like that. See, it just stops like that. And the wheels wobble a lot. Both wheels wobble a lot. It is not really that good in the track. I need to give some force to it. Yeah, I need to give some force to it. Okay, but it is better than that, I think, that Fast and the Furious start charger and even start breaker. So that is fine then. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.